How to fix Ingress timeout problem. So in today's short video or this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Ingress timeout problem in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do, guys, is very simple. Open the settings on your phone. If you have iOS or Android, it's the same thing. Then open the wireless and networks, then enable the airplane mode and disable it again. Then go to the Wi-Fi and do the same thing. Just disable it and enable it. Now go back and open the apps manager on your phone. Go to the apps. On this page you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. All what you have to do is wait a few seconds. It will start loading the apps. Scroll until you find Instagram, click on it, click here on this force stop option, and then go down to the storage, click on it, click on clear data and clear cache, and after that go back, click on the data user right here, scroll down, make sure that all network access options are enabled from here, as you can see, from the first one to the last one. And that's it, guys. Now restart your phone, reopen Instagram, and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching the video.